Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Drive to Claude AI in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on Claude AI, then simply log into your account if you haven't already. If you don't have an account, you can also create one by using your email address and your password. Now, when you are inside your Claude AI dashboard, you just have to simply hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of customize. Now over here in the customize section, the first option would be of connect your apps. So when you click on the option of connect your apps, you will be shown all of the Anthropic and the partners. Basically, you will be shown bunch of different extensions and the applications available. So among these, since we want to connect Google Drive, you will be shown Google Drive here, the third application over here. But if you are not able to find it, you just have to simply search for it. So simply use the search bar and search for Google Drive. Now, when you are able to find it, you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on this plus icon right next to Google Drive. Then you will be redirected here on this particular sign-in page where you need to select that particular email address of yours, which you want to basically have the Google Drive and which you want to connect it. So after selecting it, it will be redirected here inside your Claude AI account and you will be shown that you have successfully connected to Google Drive here on the top right hand corner. So that's how you can basically connect your Google Drive with your Claude AI account. So if this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.